everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have something really cool for you today. This was requested by multiple people. Today we're going to be learning how to list an item step by step. There should be about 4 very simple steps. Once you follow them, you're going to be able to list your first item. I have a screen recorder right now on my computer. First, you have to go to your closet. I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer versus on your phone. So you go to Poshmark.com, you log in, and then you click on sell on Poshmark. You're going to be dragged into this window. You're going to have drafts. If you do have drafts, they're going to show up here. For example, I want to list this pair. So these are men's pants. I have some pictures, and then I'm going to go to the title. I put in a little title, and then I'm going to put description, so size, content, what the brand is, who it's made for, what kind of pants it is, and the size. I can put a little more regarding color, regarding where people can wear it, and all of that. And then I click a category, so dresses, jackets, jeans, but this is a men's item, so it'll be here. So you drag it to men's, and then you can click a subcategory if you'd like, whether it be pants, and then I can put dress pants, sweatpants, and then it's gonna have single item unless you're selling more than one item. But I never really have that, so I just put single item. You pick the size. Of course, it's different based on the population you choose. And then if it's with tags or without tags, and then you put the brand. I'm gonna put whatever the brand is. I don't know how to say it. And then you put the color. So it's gray and black. You get up to 2 colors. So then you do pricing. So I usually put 0 for original price because I usually don't know what the original price is. And then you do listing price. So this is the price that's most important to you. You need to do something called searching for comps. So you need to go on Poshmark. So I'm gonna open a new window. Hi guys, me here. This is literally what I do when I'm home listing my items. I know it's out of order, but this is what I do. You go to men's, you go to jeans, and then you can go to where black is because that's the color you're selling. I said in one of my previous videos how color really matters. You can find all the different sizes from this brand. So comps means you go to the sold items and you see how much they're selling for. There's 200, there's 55, 60, 20. So you can tell it's all different kinds. I like to brand my items very specifically, so I like it to have a higher price point. So I like to sell it for a higher price point because I pick the best of the best. So for example, like this one's selling for 60 versus this one selling for 20. There must be something wrong with this item. So for example, it could be worn a lot. So all of those factor into the price. Also your pictures. You can tell some items are selling for a lot because the pictures are nice. And you can tell some items are not selling for a lot because the pictures are a little, you know, just a little. Going back here, so this is how you decide what listing price you want. Obviously, you have to take into consideration how much you're buying the items for and how much you want to make. So besides comps, besides what other people are selling it for, you have to make sure you want to make that profit back. I can list it for 60. That is not the price I'll be listing it for. Probably a little bit more. And then you go down. This is if it's for sale, not for sale, and drops. I haven't used drops. It's a new feature, but it's for when you want to drop your item at a certain time. I don't feel the need to do that. I just list it. Down here are additional details, and this is private only for your eyes. So the listing SKU is a number you put for my inventory. So I mentioned in the last video how I store my inventory and how I number them. If you want to give that a watch, I just type any number that is free from my inventory, and then I tape that number onto my item, and then I store it in that bin. So then this is why I would put this specific number here. So then you can hide details. So you already did that part. You update, you can share it to the party, but this one doesn't belong because it's a men's item. And then you list this item, and that's it. It's listed. People can see your pictures here. Title, brand, price, original price, size, and there's a size chart, your description, and then category and color, and then this is for what the buyer needs. So shipping, discount, all of that. You can comment, or you can like, comment, or share, and then that's it. You can edit the listing, you can share the listing, you can do whatever you want, and then you go back to your closet, and then you'll find it right at the top. So yeah, first you gotta buy an item, do the math, see how much you want off of it. 2, look at comps on Poshmark. 3, Get as much information on the item as possible, whether it be fabric, size, color, any of that good stuff. 4, put the pictures on Poshmark, so tag the pictures, attach them, put them on, type the title, description, and fill in all the blanks. Last, you just click update and your item is going to be live and people are able to buy it. Don't forget, if you want to keep an inventory system, to put the number on the listing, or else you're going to forget where you put your item and then you're going to misnumber it and it's going to be a whole story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to show you guys more of this. If you have questions on how to do it, please let me know. I'm amazed that more than 10 people are watching my videos. So please continue watching it. Please give it a like if you actually like it. If you don't like it, let me know why and what I can do to change it. I love you guys and I hope to see you next week. Is it good?